Eric Howard here, aka Mr. 7. You know, I was just walking through the park and thought, I want to see everybody who's ready to take their business to the next level for their family. So we've decided that we want to have and invite all of you and all of your family to a pre-launch party coming up this Tuesday, July 30th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I did say it's a party, so bring your energy, bring your A game, have fun, bring your food, because we're about to focus on building generational wealth and breaking cycles all at the same time. It's your time to shine. I've already shined. I did my thing for my family, but it's your time. I'm sharing it with you. So we're going to make this party bigger than the Super Bowl, because the Super Bowl didn't even build generational wealth for you like this system will. So I want to meet you. I want you to meet my family. They will be there as well. Whoever's counting on you to get it right. We're talking about your spouses, the fiancés, the girlfriends, the boyfriends, even the children. I want to see the smiling faces, because guess what? This is the last time that you'll ever start over, okay? No looking back, no excuses. This is going to be like the 7 Steps first family reunion, where no man is left behind. We pull together, we do this together, we lock arms, we get focused, and no looking back. So I want them to know, I want your significant others to know that you have the support system to get to the next level, okay? That's what we're here for, okay? Because guess what? They're going to be enjoying the new lifestyle as well that's coming soon, okay? On this live call that we're having, it will be on a platform like Zoom. It may be Zoom, but it's going to be on a platform like Zoom. And guess what? You get to meet all of the 7 Steps Academy team. The specialists that will be on there, such as the estate planners, the credit specialists, the advanced market team, tax strategists, you name it. They're all going to be there, and they're excited, so excited to meet all of you, because they're ready to help you go to the next level and get things structured as well. So set your calendars, guys. Tuesday, July 30th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be on the lookout for the link so you can get on the call. We want to see your smiling faces. We're excited, so excited to see you guys and see all the family faces and the smiles. Mr. 7 out. Let's go. See you at the top.